Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Obsidian to Dropbox Sync, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the Dropbox website and sign in to your account. If you don't have a Dropbox account, create one by following the prompts. Once signed in, navigate to the folder where you want to store your Obsidian Vault. You can create a new folder specifically for this purpose. Next, open the Obsidian application on your computer. If you don't have Obsidian installed, download it from the official Obsidian website and follow the installation instructions. Once Obsidian is open, create a new vault by clicking on Create New Vault. Name your vault appropriately. Select Create to finalize the vault creation. Now, with Dropbox open, locate the folder you created earlier. Drag and drop your Obsidian Vault folder from its location into your Dropbox folder. This action will start syncing your vault with Dropbox. Return to Obsidian and click on Open Another Vault. Choose Open Folder as Vault. Navigate to the Dropbox folder containing your Obsidian Vault. Select the folder and click Open. Now your Obsidian Vault is loaded from Dropbox. To confirm the sync, make a change in one of your notes. Close Obsidian and wait a moment. Then, open the file through Dropbox to see if your changes are reflected. To ensure consistent syncing across devices, install Dropbox on those devices. Once installed, sign in to your Dropbox account on each device. Open Obsidian on these devices and repeat the process to connect to your Dropbox vault. Regularly check for syncing issues or conflicts within Dropbox. It's also wise to back up your notes periodically to avoid data loss. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Dropbox account. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Obsidian to Dropbox Sync. Now you can enjoy seamless access to your notes across devices. Always ensure your Dropbox is running to maintain synchronization. Happy note-taking and organizing! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.